How many miles would a car travel in 60 minutes if it never changed its speed from 70 miles per hour? This question is about speed, which is distance over time. But in this particular case, it's a question where we are going to do unit cancellation, and it's not too difficult once we know the trick and once we know the setup, and it's good to know how to do it because you will see a lot of questions like this, such as a person earns $30 per hour and they work for 12 hours. How much money have they earned? That kind of thing. And so let's think about the way to approach this. What are they looking for? They're looking for miles. So how many miles does the car travel? And we unit cancellation, we want to set it up like this, as a multiplication problem, and then units in the numerator and denominator, they cancel out. So that's really the key concept. So let's see. So it travels for 60 minutes, and then we'll multiply that by how fast is it going? 70 miles per hour. That's another key concept in setting these problems up. So 70 miles per hour, the per is like, the word per is like dividing. You could, in this setting, you could replace the word per with divided by. So 70 miles divided by hours. So that's the first step. Now we're looking for the same units in the top and the bottom, numerator and denominator. We're not there yet because we have minutes here, we have hours here. They're both time, but they're not the same, so they can't cancel. So we have to do another step. What's the relationship between minutes and hours? That's what we think about next. And so hour is in the bottom, so we'll want to have hour up top in order for it to cancel. Because remember, numerator, denominator, same unit cancels out. And then minute is up in the numerator, so we need minute down here. Again, I'm just looking at top and bottom and getting the same unit in the top and the bottom, so they cancel. Okay, what's the relationship between hours and minutes? 1 hour equals 60 minutes. We know that just because. Okay, now we can look at units, which is the words, in the top and the bottom. If they are present in both, they cancel out. So hours and hours cancel. Minutes and minutes cancel. And we are left, there's only one unit left, miles. And that's what the question is asking for. At this point, it is simply multiplication. So 60, so we multiply across, 60 times 70 equals 4,200. Keep the units, miles, and then we have to divide by 60, because 60 is still down here. And the answer is 70 miles. We could also jump right to the answer by noticing that 60 cancels out. We're left with 70 miles per hour. So that's the answer.